All right, guys, check out this. We're doing a dye test. How beautiful is that color? Now, this is really crucial because we're not renovating this bathroom. We are only doing a facelift. So we're going to be doing new tapware, new shower screens, new vanities. But I do not want our client to invest any dollars until we confirm that there's no issues with waterproofing, because these bathrooms are older. We want to make sure everything's still intact before we invest anything to facelift this. So our plumber is doing the dye test right now so we can see if there's any potential leaks anywhere. And I can't wait to see what happens. And then look at this one. This one's yellow. I like the red one better. How awesome.